Hey YouTube, hey George Bigfoot here. Going to examine this new TRQ fuel pump with a 2-year, 24,000 mile warranty I purchased off Amazon for my 96 Suburban. You know, I'm thankful of 1A Auto and TRQ, they've got good install videos on YouTube. And what's interesting to me is this part has a different part number than the one on 1A Auto. They both say they fit the 96 Suburban. The 1A Auto part has a lifetime warranty and actually costs $8 less than the Amazon part. And the Amazon part has a 2-year warranty. Also of note, the 1A Auto part has 49 reviews and a 4.5 star rating. But what I wanted to show people, because it's kind of hard to get information on these things for unknown reasons, is one, what the connector looks like. Here's the connector. Build quality, I guess, looks okay. It's kind of interesting to think that these flimsy little wires are just going to be soaking in gasoline for who knows how long. What I also wanted to show people is the float. I've seen some Delphi floats on eBay that are like $300 and they're a round yellow float. And then I see a bunch of the those are the made in America Delphi ones. And then the Chinese ones of all different manufacturers have these oblong looking from the side floats. And I've read reviews about how these things disintegrate. Now, will the TRQ one disintegrate? I don't know. That looks like it's a pressed, kind of flattened piece of metal with a little ring on the end. So it would seem to me that it'd be kind of hard for it to fall off, but I guess it could fall off. Seems to me like they would have wanted to put a bigger washer there than that size, but maybe that'll work. I've been happy for the most part with TRQ items. Real question will be is how does this fuel sender send information to the fuel gauge? That's really the least of my concerns. My main concern is just being able to crank the engine and deliver the right kind of fuel pressure, you know, at the rail, which I will measure and see what that is. I had been getting about 52, 53, and then it just quit on me one day. Anyway, I wanted to show people what this looked like. This was purchased from Amazon. Shipped, it was, I think, $93, including tax. Also comes with this lock ring and this O-ring, which is a nice touch. A couple of things. I called my local Chevy dealership here on today, which is July the 16th, I believe, of 2026, and my local Chevy dealership said the Delco part had been discontinued and the list price was $422. So consider that, and they told me, you know, to look for either a Denso or a Delphi one. And all over eBay, there's Delphi ones for $115 made in China with the black float. And you sometimes find some Delphi ones with the round yellow float, and those will be in the mid 250s. I called our local O'Reilly's, and for the Delphi one with a black float, mind you, our local O'Reilly's wants $349 plus tax. So just consider that. I mean, I realize this is going to be a bit of a bear dropping the tank, but we don't know how long the TRQ will last. What if it lasts a long time, you know? I mean, no one seems to know. There's all these TRQ videos, but no one's like, hey, expect X amount of years out of this thing. And because I'm not planning on getting rid of the Suburban, other than me passing away, which is, of course, a real possibility, I'll keep y'all abreast of how long this thing lasts, unlike anyone else has done. That's it. Thanks for watching. Y'all make it a great day. Oh, I guess one more thing. I'll put the link in the description of where I bought this and the part number. Yeah, anyway, I don't see it on the box, but it had a specific part number. Maybe it's down here. Yeah, that's it. FPA60086, made in China.